All right, car lovers, buckle up. Today we're diving into the Toyota Crown, a name you might not know, but trust me, you will want to. This sleek hybrid sedan is Toyota's bold replacement for the Avalon, and it's got style, tech, and a price tag that might surprise you. So, is this the luxury ride you've been dreaming of, or just a fancy Camry in disguise? Let's find out. Stick around. The Toyota Crown isn't new to the game. It's been around since 1955. My sister had a 70s model, and let me tell you, it was cool but slow. Back then, it couldn't keep up with American tastes, so Toyota shelved it for Corollas and Camrys. But now, the Crown's back, and it's ready to steal the show. Oh, and a fun fact, there's an SUV version too for all you crossover fans. Here's the kicker, this beauty can be yours for around 40 grand. Let's break it down. Under here, you're getting a hybrid powertrain. A 2.5-liter engine paired with Toyota's bulletproof high-voltage hybrid system, and an eCVT. No belts, no pulleys, just smooth, reliable power. These systems last forever, think 250,000, even 400,000 miles. Unlike the old Avalon's V6, this Crown's all about efficiency and power. Some versions pump out over 300 horsepower with instant electric torque. No turbo lag, just seamless zoom. It's not a Prius sipping 51 miles per gallon, but you'll still hit the mid-30s. Pretty sweet for a luxury sedan. Plus, it's got all-wheel drive standard. Regenerative braking means better mileage than on the highway. The total range is over 600 miles.
Look at this thing! Toyota finally ditched those oversized grills for a sleek, modern face. Those evil shark eye and the headlights is pure aggression. Sharp wheels, clean lines, this car turns heads. Or do you want an SUV instead? Toyota's got a Crown for that too, but this sedan's got my heart.
Alright, let's talk luxury. The interior's a vibe. Faux leather and cloth that's cozy, not cold. Push button start and it's dead silent on battery power. The engine kicks in so smoothly you barely notice. No clunky tablet slapped on the dash, just a clean, built-in display. Wireless charging, EV mode for short electric jaunts up to 25 miles per hour, and a sporty steering wheel with that classic Toyota badge. You've got auto headlights, adaptive cruise control, and get this, no sunroof. Honestly, I'm all for it. Sunroofs leak, creak, and turn your car into an oven. True luxury doesn't rely on gimmicks. And the glove box is spacious, the storage is solid, and the toggle for traction control is right here. The first thing you notice is its smoothness. It begins in silent electric vehicle mode, and when the engine kicks in, it operates like a ninja, quiet and seamless. When you switch to sport mode though, it comes alive. There are no gear shifts with the eCVT. You get pure, instant power. While it's not a race car, it handles beautifully and offers a cruising experience that feels like floating on a cloud. The backup camera offers crystal clear visibility and comes equipped with several smart features, including stop sign warnings, speed limit alerts, and lane drift notifications. While some may find these features annoying, they can easily be turned off if desired. The electric parking brake is automatic, engaging and disengaging with a shift of the gear. However, one should hope it performs well during salty winters, as repairs can be quite expensive. This Crown's got luxury, power, and hybrid efficiency. The owner would love to get an extended warranty for that pricey infotainment screen and a 150,000-mile hybrid battery guarantee. But here's the rub. It's pricier than a Camry. If you want more EV range, the SUV Crown's got 56 miles of electric-only driving, even at highway speeds. This sedan is a hybrid, not a fully electric vehicle. If you're like me and love a deal, a Camry might save you 10 to 14 grand. Less fancy, sure, but your wallet will thank you. Still, the Crown's got that wow factor, style, tech, and a 600-mile range. It's a lot of cars for $40K. The Toyota Crown is back and better than ever. It's smooth, powerful, and packed with technology, making it a luxury sedan that's affordable. Is this car right for you? Let me know in the comments. Would you choose the Crown, the SUV version, or stick with a Camry? If you'd like to see more car reviews like this one, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep cruising.